Practical 12. Hello class. Today we are working on Practical 12, a crucial topic in algorithm analysis, searching. The aim is to implement two fundamental search techniques, linear search and binary search, to find a specific element within a list. This practical will highlight the difference in efficiency between these two approaches. 1. Linear search, the slow, show method. Kachua concept linear search is the simplest method. It checks every element in the list one by one, sequentially, starting from the first element, until the target is found or the end of the list is reached. Code breakdown code line concept explanation for I in range, len, a. Sequential scan. This loop ensures we check every single index, I, from 0 to n ghatav 1, if a, I, equals target. Comparison checks if the element at the current index matches the target. Return I success. If found, we return the index and stop immediately. Return -1 failure. If the loop finishes without finding the target, we return -1, a standard convention for not found. Export to sheets. Big O notation. The complexity is O, n. In the worst case, we have to check n elements. It works on unsorted lists. Though, binary search, the fast, smart method, rocket concept binary search is much faster, but it has one strict requirement: the list must be sorted. It works by repeatedly dividing the search interval in half. Imagine searching a dictionary. You don't check every page, you jump to the middle, check the word, and then decide to search the first half or the second half. Code breakdown code line concept explanation. Prerequisite sorting. We use sorted _ I equals sorted, because binary search only works on sorted data. Low equals 0, high equals len, 1 pointers. These variables mark the beginning, low, and end, high, of the current search segment. While low less than equals high, search loop. The loop continues as long as the search space has at least one element. Mid equals low jod high. To find the middle, calculates the index of the middle element of the current segment. If a, mid, equals target, found. If the middle element is the target, we are done. Lf a, mid, less than target, search right half. If the middle value is less than the target must be in the right half. We shift the low pointer to mid jod 1, else, i.e., mid, greater than target, search left half. If the middle value is greater than the target must be in the left half. We shift the high pointer to mid 1. Export to sheets. Big O notation. The complexity is O, logna. With each step, we cut the search space in half. This makes it incredibly efficient for very large lists. Summary feature. Linear search binary search. Prerequisite none, works on any list, must be sorted. Logic checks every item one by one. Repeatedly halves the search space. Worst case time O, n, slow, O, log n, fast. Export to sheets. This practical demonstrates the fundamental trade-off in computer science, often putting in the effort to sort the data first, and O, na logna, operation, can save massive amounts of time later on if you need to perform many fast searches. O, logna. Thank you.